I was very attached to my status as a wife as well. I was navigating a very recent divorce, and I was a stepmom before the divorce. So you go from being an employee, being a lawyer, being a close-knit daughter, to being a wife, being a stepmom, and then suddenly, and the comfort of very fancy apartment in Chelsea, and all the rest of it, and then there is nothing. Then there is just you,
Yeah,
and a very modest robe, and prayers, and that teaches you a lot. It really
it
does.
does.
And I've rebuilt my relationship, but also my intention with my relationship. And it's really served me and my clients, because a lot of my clients are navigating divorces or separation or childcare or being stepfather or stepmother, for those few courageous, brave men listening to us. And it is hard. It is hard to go from that status to the status of actually, I'm under construction. I'm healing, right? Like,
Mhm.
I used to work in construction, so you always see those sites, right? I'm under construction. Well, I was under construction for quite a while.